Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 42. Last time, we saw that words can sneak between a subject and its verb. Now let's zero in on the most common culprit, the prepositional phrase. Last lesson, we met the trap. This lesson, we master it. The culprit is almost always a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a preposition plus a noun, like of oranges, in the box, or on the shelf. The noun inside it is the object of the preposition. And here's the key rule. The subject of a sentence is never inside a prepositional phrase. So whatever noun sits in that phrase, it cannot be your subject. The subject is always outside the phrase. Let's see it in action. The crate of oranges was heavy. Your ear hears oranges and wants were. But cross out of oranges. It's just a prepositional phrase. What's left? The crate was heavy. The subject is crate, singular, so the verb is was. That plural noun in the phrase was only a decoy. It works in reverse, too. The kittens in the box were asleep. This time, the phrase's noun, box, is singular, and it tempts you toward was. But in the box is a prepositional phrase, so box can't be the subject. Cross it out. The kittens were asleep. The subject is kittens, plural, so were is correct. Either way, the noun in the phrase is a trap. Ignore it. So make this your routine on every agreement question. 1. Bracket off each prepositional phrase, a preposition followed by its noun. 2. The subject is whatever's left standing outside those phrases. 3. Match the verb to that subject in number. Phrases out, subject clear, verb agrees. With practice, you'll spot these decoys instantly. Let's practice. Bracket the prepositional phrase, find the true subject, and pick the verb that agrees. Pause and try each. The bouquet of flowers blank for Amanda. Cross out of flowers. The subject is bouquet, singular, so is. Apartments in this city blank to have smoke alarms. Cross out in this city. The subject is apartments, plural, so are required. This list of names blank, very important. Cross out of names. The subject is list, singular, so is. A few more. Same routine. Cross out the phrase, then match the verb to the real subject. Pause and try each. The grove of birch trees blank in the sun. Cross out of birch trees. The subject is grove, singular, so is shining. Sounds of distant music blank through the air. Cross out of distant music. The subject is sounds, plural, so float. Employees at the department store blank a half hour for lunch. Cross out at the department store. The subject is employees, plural, so get. Let's wrap up. The most common agreement trap is a prepositional phrase sitting between the subject and the verb. Remember the rule. The subject is never inside a prepositional phrase. The noun in the phrase, whether it's plural, like oranges, or singular, like box, is just a decoy. So bracket the phrase, find the real subject outside it, and make the verb agree with that subject. Great work! In Lesson 43, we'll look at agreement with linking verbs.